Today we're going to make this cotton cord bracelet. It's extremely easy and fast to work up with very limited materials. In fact, all you need here is cotton cord. And then you would also need, which is optional, a little drop of glue, cotton cord, some scissors, and a measuring tape or ruler. So you're going to take your cotton cord, whatever colors you want, and you're going to cut 3 pieces that are 24 inches or 61 centimeters. Then you just line up those 3 strands and right at about 4 inches, you're going to fold that over and make a simple overhand knot to create a loop that is about 1/2 inch or less. We'll keep it like that. Okay, this excess can be snipped away. And to keep this knot in place, you can opt to put a drop of super glue. I'm going to skip that step for now because I want to show just how easy the bracelet is. You can actually do it at the end too. Okay, then you still have all of this cording, and what you're going to do is begin to make a very simple overhand knot at even spacing. So let's start. Okay, that's one knot. You can even twist these around each other a little bit along the way just so that they aren't straight and sort of have this crisscross effect that you'll see in the final result. Just a couple of crisscrosses. Okay, and then we're going to aim to make another knot right here. Okay, we'll keep going, twisting it just a couple of times, sort of like if you were doing braiding, but not too many times, so it still looks really loose and natural. And just do another knot. So at this point, you have 3 knots, and I think this 4th knot is going to be the last one. And then you can make this bracelet as long as you need it to be. So I think I need this bracelet to be 7 inches. So you can, if you're making it for yourself, try it on at this point, see if it's going to work, or use a ruler. I did one overhand knot to make that one. I'm going to do another one right on top of that to make a big knot. Okay, and I can opt to put a little drop of glue in there to make sure that that knot doesn't come undone too easily. And then that knot should fit through here. So we'll snip this off now at the end. And you'll see that this knot is still small enough to fit through this loop, but big enough to be stopped on the way out and serve as a closure. Isn't that cute? And you can control how wide of a space you make in between knots. There it is. Oops, I missed one. Let me try that again. Okay, got it that time, see? And then it just kind of acts like a little stop. And now we have a 3-color cotton cord bracelet. And there you go. I hope you like this. Very simple, very easy to make bracelet. You can choose any colors. It can be your favorite colors. It can be your team's favorite colors. It can represent anything you want it, and it wouldn't take you more than just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.